Hi, my name is Dr. Sofra. I have a doctorate in clinical psychology from the New School and a doctorate in neurophysiology from City University in London. We created the technology that I am going to unfold and describe in my new book called The Rhythm of Youth, the language of the body. For the longest time, I was looking for a language to communicate with the body until I met Dr. Jerry Pollock, the co-inventor of the first pacemaker, who actually was communicating with the body. He had a machine, he called it the RSS those years, now we call it the virtual gym, it's right next to me, that can communicate with the body. It sends signals that are compatible with the nervous system. They can reach the brain releases hormones and synchronizes and balances hormones. And when we say balance hormones, even within the average range, hormones can be imbalanced. Balances hormones is a very important aspect of both physical and mental health. But we went further than that. We created a machine, a device that has the language of the cells. And of course, that has a lot to do with the timing. Different timings, the signals can mean different things. So it's very important to organize your timing in a matrix and fit the signals there to communicate with the cells, to increase proteins. They say they increase collagen with lasers and radio frequency. Collagen is only 1 out of 200 million proteins in the system, all of which have to be in a certain balance and synergy and communication in order to bring that fruits. And we have achieved to do that. We're still working on it. There has been 48 years of research on the virtual gym and about 26 years on the IELLIOS, our new technology, but we are getting there. We're getting a device that can increase life and can bring you back with this.